What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 90. Heritage break number 1. 2-box break. It's 11:34 on Wednesday. We just did the ID video for Tribute 4 and Heritage 1 and 2. So here is break number 1. Again, 11:34 on Wednesday night. All spots have paid, with the exception of a couple regular guys that promise us payments, and I think one's coming in tomorrow morning, but not a big deal. Just a little break here. So good luck to everybody. Everybody should definitely get some cards, at least. Sealed very well. Alright, we got a buyback. It's been a while since I did these, but I do remember last year's. Box number 1 with a buyback for the Detroit Tigers. Howie Koplitz for the Tigers. So that probably makes the Tiger spot worthwhile. Break didn't go very crazy, so a lot of teams just went for $1 or $2, which is fine. Everybody will get some cards. Everybody can be happy. Alright, we're going to try to roll right through here. I don't know what's short printed, so not going to check numbers. Just going to go through the names here. So I'm sure you guys have an idea what you're looking for. Alright, Downs, Cano, Hardy, Pujols in an Angels uniform, Ned Yost, Miguel Cabrera, Mini, Shearholtz, and rookie stars, Spears, Pomeranz, Chambers, and Brown. Looks like we'll be doing a random for this break. Paredes, Headley, Hudson, Kane, Moscoso, Girardi, Chris Young, Red Sox Smashers, and Joe Mauer. Tribe Thumpers, Andrus, Burley, Kyle Wheeland, Jacob Turner, Beachy, David Price, Mini, World Series Foes, Josh Hamilton and Pujols, and JP Arencibia. Derek Holland, Schwinden, Brandon Phillips, Martinez, Casilla, Barney, Jose Bautista, New Age Performers for the Blue Jays, Molina, and Tiger Twirlers, Valverde and Verlander. Gardenhire, Addison Reed, Manuel, Ramirez, Morneau, Posada, Denorfia, Lincecum, Pineda. Clutch Catcher, Napoli, Adam Jones, Brent Morel, Michael Young, Teixeira, Rookie Stars, 4-player card, Barry Zito, Deep Freeze, and Mitch Moreland. Rookie Stars, 4-player card, Stauffer, Torrey Hunter, Brantley, Scott Baker, Scott Rowland, Jason Worth, Refractor for the Nationals. Numbered 392 of 563. Desmond Jennings, Bobby Abreu, checklist. ERA leaders, Mike Trout, Jason Worth, Price, Zimmerman. Star receivers, Molina, McCann, Heath Bell, Hanley Ramirez, Eduardo Nunez. Webke, Masterson, Stubbs, Cliff Lee, Lucas Duda, Pittsburgh Pirates team card, Chrome, Alex Avila for the Tigers. It's numbered to 1963. Rookie Stars, 4-player card, and Jim Thome and a checklist. Castro, Avila, Morgan, Drew, Putz, Valverde, Yastrzemski, and Cabrera. Then and now, that'll be randomized. David Murphy, and a 4-player card. Marquis, 4-player, Randy Wolf, Bumgarner, Bird, Mike Adams, Juan Marichal, and Justin Verlander. Then and now, Rookie Stars, and Brad Lidge. Rookie Stars, Kemp, Halladay, Pfister, Beckett, Storen, Ernie Banks, flashbacks for the Cubs, Edwin Jackson, Alan Craig. Those Rookie Stars, unless they have 2 or more players on the same team, or majority on one team, they will be randomized. All right, Trumbo, Dunn, Ellsbury, Bruce Farnsworth, Mesoraco, Ryan Zimmerman, Mini, Torrealba, and Neftali Feliz. Rookie Stars, Brett Gardner, Peralta, Agando, Vernon Wells. Rookie Stars, David Ortiz, Clint Hurdle, J.D. Martinez. Come on. Soto, Morrison, Hart, Salas, Samardzija, Perez, Batista, Bonifacio, Kevin Gray. Jay Guerra, Dexter Fowler, Sale, Papelbon in a Phillies uniform, Pierre, Mets team card, Gordon, Morales, Blake DeWitt. Kipnis, Billingsley, Montero, McCann, Bosch, Rodriguez, John F. Kennedy flashbacks. That'll be randomized. Federowitz and pitching leaders. Weeks, Sandoval, Morse, Kinsler, Betancourt, Wilson. Another Kennedy flashbacks. Rookie Stars, Ryan Dempster. Montero, Descalso, Carpenter, Madsen, Ross, Posey, Phillies team card, Lance Lynn and Ron Washington, Andrew Bailey, Rodriguez, Cole Hamels, Tyler Clippard, Jason Hayward, Reds team card, Matt Cain, Chrome to 1963, Gibson, Carlos Quentin, checklist. Still searching for an auto. Looks like we turned the box over just in time. Ramos, Lewis, Holland, Rookie Stars, Cardinals team card, Escobar, Malone, and Santana, meaning we were just getting ready to hit it until we flipped the packs over. Hagedorn, Friendly Foes, Vogelsong and Ethier, A-Rod, Worley, Moustakas, Danny Duffy, flashbacks, Hank Aaron, Cervelli, Freddie Freeman, Jansen, Ramin, Matt Moore, Tim Hudson, Matt Harrison, Mike Minor, Brandon League, Jared Parker, Rookie Stars, and the last pack looks like is going to be our auto hit, unless Topps is going to get us, and it looks like we probably have one coming. Morse, Kinsler, Ellsbury, Bruce Avila, Niger Morgan, and there we go. Now that is not a bad one. Real One autograph, Willie McCovey. So that one will go to the Giants. Nice hit. Scott, not sure if you got in for the Giants on this one, but if you did, nice hit. If not, nice hit for the Giants. Willie McCovey, Real One auto. Very nice. Batting leaders and Joakim Soria. So not too shabby. Tons of value in this break, guys. Box number 2. Here we go. Ton of value in this break. All the spots went very cheap. Everybody's getting some cards, at least some team sets, or some stuff for their team. So definitely a good one to be in. All right, we do have a long box topper, and we've got Craig Kimbrell, Alexi Casilla, and the Alan Craig, I guess it is Alan Craig for the Cardinals. So that will be randomized. We used to give it to the team on the left, but we don't do that anymore. That'll be randomized. All right, moving right on along. Nolasco, Reynolds, Butler, Rookie Stars. Going to be a fun random. I can see that. Feliz, Tolle. That one will go to the Dodgers. Koufax and Kershaw. Federowitz and another random. Russell Martin, Cabrera, Jeter, Kennedy, Dickey, Prado, Pope Paul VI, Lincecum, Pineda. Rookie stars, Matt Kemp. Rookie stars, Halladay, Baker, Casilla, Hairston, Bonifacio, Gregg. Guthrie, McCutchen, Iannetta, Delman Young, Matt Garza, Phillies team card, Chrome Elvis Andrus to 1963 for the Rangers, Lance Lynn, Ron Washington, checklist. Jay Guerra, Zimmerman, Ramirez, Fowler, Brantley, Cardinals team card, Vogelsong Refractor, numbered to 563 for the Giants. Malone, Johan Santana, checklist. Billingsley, Laurie, Cueto, Carroll, Deaza, star receivers, Molina, McCann, Carpenter Chrome to 1963, Hanley, Eduardo Nunez, checklist. Wood, Damon, Nova, Gallardo, Dalmat, Loesch, Willie Mays, flashbacks, Jared Parker, and rookie stars. Montero, Descalso, Kipnis, McCann, Verlander. Here's a Clubhouse Collection jersey for Adam Jones of the Orioles. Nice hit there for the O's. David Murphy and another rookie stars. Manual, Jason Worth, Price, Papelbon, Pierre, Storen, Killebrew and Batista, then now, Cervelli, Freeman. Gardenhire, Reed, Avila, Morgan, Sale, Beachy, Aaron Miles, World Series foes, Hamilton and Pujols. Aaron Sibia. Pujols, Jason Donald, B.J. Upton, Bailey, Borges, Ned Yost, Bartlett, Shearholtz, and rookie stars. Ramin, Matt Moore, Matt Harrison, Carpenter, Montero, Mesoraco, Ryan Adams, Torey Alba, Neftali Feliz. Matt Downs, Casey Jansen, J.J. Hardy, Hudson, Bosch, Rodriguez, Hernandez, rookie stars, Ryan Dempster. Al Albuquerque, Keppinger, Francoeur, Ibar, McCarthy, Noisi, U.S. Cuba, flashbacks, Casilla, and Kimbrel. Rookie stars, Strasburg, Greinke, Euclid, Santos, Cordera, Ike Davis, Yadier Molina, and Tigers Twirlers. Joe Madden, Rosario, Joey Votto, Jurgens, Rivera, Roland, Bourgeois, Jennings, and Abreu. Coughlin, Tejada, Scherzer, Chisenhall, Holland, Houston Street, Trayvon Robinson, Adrian Gonzalez, and Alan Craig. Ooh, excuse me. Acta, Victor Martinez, Cano, Cody Ross, Buster Posey, Cincinnati Reds, team card, Brett Pill, Kirk Gibson, Carlos Quentin. Terry Collins, Skip Schumacher, Alex Gordon, Jerry Sands, Ubaldo Jimenez, Brett Wallace, Matt Kemp, New Age Performers, Edwin Jackson, Alan Craig. Andrew Brackman, Aaron Harang, Espinoza, Gio Gonzalez in a Nats uniform, Anthony Rizzo, Chase D. Arnaud, Kochman, John Jay, and Rookie Stars. Derek Holland, Chris Schwinden, Beckett, Torrey Hunter, Brandon Phillips, Ryan Madsen, Early Wynn, flashbacks, batting leaders, Joakim Soria. Aubrey Huff, Jeff Neiman, Hunter Pence, Curtis Granderson, Rookie Stars, KC Royals, Roy Halladay Mini, Jared Hughes, Dodgers Big 3. Down to 2 packs here. Pitching leaders, Ramiro, Longoria, Swisher, O'Hara, New York Mets team card, Hunter Pence Mini, couple for the Phillies there, Morales and Blake DeWitt. And down to our last pack. Tim Stauffer, Doug Fister, Darwin Barney, another Pujols in an Angels uniform, Mike Minor, Joe Girardi, David Wright Mini for the Mets, Red Sox Smashers, and Joe Mauer. So, alright, there we go. Definitely not a bad break. We had the McCovey auto, the Adam Jones jersey were the 2 hits. I'll have to figure out how we're going to randomize. We got a pretty nice stack of rookie, star, and multiplayer cards. I'll have to figure out how we're going to do these, but we will figure something out, make it fair to everybody, and get some kind of random video or something posted. And this stuff will be in the mail. Probably won't make it in the mail till Friday, maybe even Saturday. Today's Wednesday night, so yeah, probably Friday or Saturday. Any questions, let me know. Thank you guys all for joining. There's your break, and we'll hopefully see you in Tribute break number 4, which is right there. If you have any X-ray vision, here you go. Here's your chance. Tribute break number 4 coming up. Alright, hopefully we'll see you guys there. Take care. Thanks again for joining.